of these problems were caused by you.
All of Jamaica, both yard and abroad, took notice when Irish politician Thomas Gould blasted in Parliament. Not because of his politics, which was sound, but because of him sound. He sounded so familiar. It was like goodly like him was in Garden House.
My accent is a real deep cock accent.
Now, where history books have gaps, our tongue keeps record. In the 1600s, thousands of Irish and Scottish labourers were sent to Jamaica. They were the ones that became the first English teachers of the enslaved Africans. So, what was the result? A shared vocal DNA. Listen to the mouthwork.
Because at the end of the day, you're responsible, and then you're talking about better communications. Do your job and build houses, because that's what you need to do.
The similarities with the Irish Cork accent are uncanny. But what exactly can we detect in the distinct sound of his accent? Well, it's the V swapped, V's to D's, or is the thing becomes ting, or the ah sound, where because becomes because, or politician becomes
Politicians.
The other sound detect is where the vowel slides into vowel diphthongs, like the long A, it slides into EA, like day to day, or long O slides into O, like road to road. Then there's a hard R sound, and also the lilt or the melody of the accent, which people argue sound more like he's from Barbados. Now, we know Jamaica has Irish heritage, yes. We may not have been taught these details in school, but culture always finds a way to fill the gap.
Seriously, that's one of your things.
So tell me, did he sound more Jamaican or Bayesian?